Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. I'm back again after I posted a video about trade indicators, and I'm here to show you how it works. So I would love to enter this trade, but before I do, let me show you the indicator so you can copy the settings. So the first one is RSI. You can copy the setting. The second one is moving average. You can copy the setting. The last one is Ichimoku, so you can copy the setting. So let me enter this trade and I will show you the reason why I entered the trade, so I can explain to you better and you can see how it works live. So let me enter. Yeah. Okay. So guys, whenever you see your Ichimoku on 10, for those who are doing boom, so it works on boom 1500. So whenever you find your Ichimoku, which is the red line, on 10, you enter the trade. And for those who are doing crash 1500, whenever you see your Ichimoku on 90, you enter the trade. Last time I told you, when you enter a trade and nothing is happening, that is assuming you enter a trade and nothing is happening, you find yourself on -5, -6, -7, it's better you come out. Come out and wait for another entry. There are many possibilities, in a day. I don't just enter a trade. So there are some things I check before I enter a trade. One of the things I check is the zone. So let's take the time frame to day 1 and let me show you something. You can see this thing here, it follows patterns. There are many things we need to talk about. So on how to enter a trade. So there are many things we need to talk about, but we need to take it step by step. We don't need to rush. Step by step. Maybe I'll be uploading the video maybe every 5 days or every week, just to show you everything, all my strategy, everything, what I use, what I do, so before entering a trade. So you can see on day 1, you see this thing follow patterns, and when you're on laptop, it's different. You can be able to draw the chart and everything, unlike your phone. The phone is limited. So I will do a video with laptop also and show you how it works. So let's drop it to 15-minute time frame. You can see a zone, a zone. So it will trigger now. So you can see a zone here. I don't know if you guys can see. So this is something happen now. Are you getting me now? So let's take it back to, you can see this is the spike we have been waiting for. So how much? So I got 14 here, and I will come out. It's enough, guys. Don't be greedy. Anything you get, you come out. So the strategy works. So whenever you find, let me close this one. Yeah, like I said, whenever you find your Ichimoku on 10, enter. Okay, so the strategy works. Like I just showed you now, you saw it. So it works. So if you put it into practice, I'm telling you, it's better you practice on, if you are not sure, practice on demo and test everything out. When you are comfortable, then you can find the account. So next week I'll come back again and show you some other stuff I use. Like I told you, we have a lot to talk about, but we just have to take everything step by step, and I'll also show you the one I used on a laptop, how I managed to combine everything together. Thank you, and I will see you next time. And for those who are new to my channel, please don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. as I'm also doing it for free. I'm not asking for anything. So what you can do is to share, like, and subscribe. See you guys next week. Thank you so much.